Inheriting half a century of Taiwanese aluminum extrusion technology, accumulating over 20 years of local craftsmanship, Tung Kuang Industrial Company Limited was established in 1995 in Binh Hoa, 2nd Industrial Zone, Dong Nai Province, Vietnam. The company began operations in October 1997. Tung Kuang branch was established in Haidiong Province on June 10, 2002. The company was renamed Tung Kuang Industrial Joint Stock Company on August 9, 2005. Tung Kuang was listed on the Hanoi Stock Exchange on April 21, 2006 under the ticker symbol TKU. Nyon Track Factory was established in Nyon Track District, Dong Nai Province on September 18, 2007. Tung Kuang is a manufacturer that provides one-stop services from importing aluminum ingots to producing finished products. Tung Kuang's business project includes production of various aluminum extrusion building material products and customized aluminum extrusions for the chemical industry with an 18,000-ton annual capacity. In addition to meeting local demands in Vietnam, the products have been exported to the United States, Canada, Australia, Europe, Japan, Asia, and other countries, garnering customer praise. Tung Kuang adheres to the principle of maintaining exceptional quality and a top-notch reputation. We integrate melting, extrusion, and multiple processing processes, thereby providing one-stop manufacturing services, providing fast prototype and finished goods production, offering expert advice, and anticipating customer needs has earned us a strong reputation and credibility. Tung Kuang holds ISO 9001 Quality Management System 2015, AXO Nobel AAMA 2604 Ultra-Durable Powder Coating, and various production quality technology certifications. Going forward, Tung Kuang will pursue ESG Enterprise Sustainable Management. We have 2 factories with sophisticated production machinery that can complement each other in capacity. Binh Hoa Factory, and Nyon Track Factory. As domestic and foreign aluminum demand rises, the company constantly upgrades equipment, improves product quality, expands factories, and expands production capacity, offering customers more aluminum surface options. Quality control has always been the company's top priority. Products are rigorously inspected by the Quality Control Department using specialized tools such as aluminum alloy component analyzers, tensile testers, surface quality detectors, wind and rain test machines, and chemical testing. Precise analysis, thorough inspection, quality assurance. Rooted in Vietnam for decades, Tung Kuang Industrial Joint Stock Company offers extensive employee education and training. The company periodically organizes outing trips to foster employee-company cohesion. The entire staff actively participates in community activities to make donations and help poor and vulnerable families. With the principle of putting quality first, upholding credibility, and pursuing sustainability, Tung Kuang Industrial Joint Stock Company aims to continuously improve and provide high-quality products, foster long-term customer trust and recognition, and promote win-win cooperation.